We are the student of final year chemical engineering from Srof SR Rotary Institute of Chemical Technology. Our project ID is 120837. The topic for today's presentation is prediction of particle size in PBR gel process by using population balance method. Our project is guided by Dr. Mrigang Mondal. Next slide, please. Talking about abstract, this project contains simulation of PPR gel process, which contain rapid pressure reduction over CO2 expanded organic solution. Due to this temperature drop in very short time, which generate rapid high and uniform supersaturation, which leads to crystallization. By mathematical modeling, we can estimate crystal size and particle size distribution in batch crystallization. This work is motivated by the understanding necessity of prediction of particle size. The proposed numerical scheme is able to handle growth of crystals by using population balance method. Coming to an introduction part, PPR gel process is precipitation by pressure reduction of gas expanded liquid. The process includes rapid pressure reduction over a CO2 expanded organic solution from 30 to 70 bar to 1 bar at 303 Kelvin decreases the solution temperature by 30 to 80 Kelvin in very short span of time, which generate high, rapid, and uniform supersaturation. In this project, we are working on simulation for determining particle size and particle size distribution in PPR gel process by using population balance method. We have selected cholesterol as model solute to be precipitated, and acetone has been chosen as a solvent. The basic equation for PVM is given as below. Now my friend Tirth will explain the design and objective of our project. Over to you, Tirth.
First of all, we have to know what is objective of our project. Our objective is to simulate a PPR gel process, predict a particle size in PPR gel process, to estimate a PSD in PPR gel process. Now I will explain. I will now explain you the design of our project. First of all, water and cholesterol is sent to agitated vessel. Then pressurized CO2 is also sent to this agitated vessel. Pressurized CO2 will convert the cholesterol material into the crystal, and crystal will collected in below. From below, the crystals and water can be separated easily. This whole equipment is connected to the data logger, and we can take data from a computer. Now Bada will tell the comparison.
Start. Basically, when we compare to the other crystallization process, PPR gel methods provides first narrow particle size distribution, no specifically designed equipments, ultra fine particles due to rapid crystallization. Simulation of PPR gel process provides the following advantages over the experimental method. First of all, cost of the measuring particle size and PSD is removed. And second one is without doing experiment, result can be obtained. Now my friend Jaimin tells the advantage and conclusion of the
advantage. Our project advantage is a narrow size particle, no need of specific design equipments. Ultra particles are obtained. Particle size and the distribution can be estimated without experiment. Conclusion. Particle size in PPR gel process can be estimated by the population balance method. The drawback of our using population balance method is that we have assumed the size of particles for initial state calculation. Thank you.